Hello my dear friends, welcome to our Red Bugs YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful bird. Here it's. So let's see what we want. We want a A4 board and an orange color A4 paper piece, and also we want colors feathers, and you can see I have taken colors feathers from Red Bug products. You can get it, and 2 eyes. Here I have taken, and a glue bottle, and if you want you can take a double tape this thing, and a scissor. Now let's see how can we make it. First of all, you have to cut this A4 board like a cube shape. Okay, let's see how we can cut this. After finish you cutting this, you have to fold this. Like this. Then I have put a double tape to this corner and to other corner. It will be very easy to you guys. After finishing the cube, next you have to put the feathers. You have to apply some glue. We have to paste it behind. Then you take feathers one by one and fix it behind. This is how we can make the bird behind, and front I put 2 eyes like this. Then we have to put the beak. Let's see how we can make the beak. You take the A4 paper like this and fold it and cut. And apply some glue this side. Okay, this is how we made the bird, and we have to put the eyes also. And let's see how we can make the beak. You take the A4 paper like this and fold it. And cut. Cut it like a triangle shape. Then you'll get it like this, and paste glue here. When you finish pasting the beak, raise it a little bit up. Then you will get a beautiful bird like this. See? Now it's done. So this is how we made the beautiful bird. So next time I'm going to bring another beautiful handcraft. So you can subscribe our YouTube channel Red Bugs, then you can share it, then like, and you can comment it. So thank you very much.